Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have another Thrive Market unboxing. This time I ordered from the frozen food section. So let's check it out and see what's inside. The first item, this is no soy chicken teriyaki. This is cage-free dark meat chicken and vegetables with soy-free teriyaki sauce. This bag has 2 servings. The next item, this is First Light Wagyu beef filet steak. These are 6 ounces. These are 100% grass-fed Wagyu beef. Here is a closer look, and I ordered 4 of these. The next item is something I've ordered from Thrive Market in the past. This is from Table 87. This is a coal oven pizza, and these are so delicious. I love them. I will say the basil on top is not very delicious, so I take that off and I put fresh basil on. But I ordered 2 of the margarita pizzas. I also ordered the mushroom with white truffle oil. And the last items in the box, this is a spinach caramelized onion white pizza. This is from Capello's. It has an almond flour crust. And I just ordered these out of curiosity. That was it. That was everything in my Thrive Market frozen box. If you are interested in trying Thrive Market, I will have a coupon code in the description below. So be sure to check that out. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.